In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure that your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription is active and up to date, as well as a few troubleshooting steps to help refresh your license information. To begin, let's head over to the official Adobe website. Open your preferred web browser and type in adobe.com in the address bar. Once you've reached Adobe's homepage, look for the sign-in option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. If you already have an Adobe ID, click on the Sign In button and enter your Adobe ID and password. If this is your first time, don't worry. Simply choose the Sign Up option to create a new account. It's a straightforward process that only takes a couple of minutes, and once your account is created, make sure to log in. Now that you're signed in, it's time to check on your subscription status. This step is crucial, particularly if you've experienced any disruptions while accessing Adobe Creative Cloud services. After signing in, navigate to your account page. You'll find this option usually by clicking on a user icon, often represented by a silhouette or your initials, found at the top of the page. Once you're on your account page, look for the section labeled Plans and Products. Clicking here will give you a detailed view of your current Adobe plans. Verify that your plan is still active, and take a minute to ensure that your payment method is up to date. If you find any issues, such as an expired subscription, you'll want to take care of them right away by following the prompts to renew it. With your subscription status confirmed, let's move on to using the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This application acts as a central hub for all your Adobe products, making it essential for managing software licenses and updates. Open the app, and if prompted, sign in with the same Adobe account you used earlier. Consistency is key here as your subscription details are linked to that specific account. Occasionally, even after checking all previous steps, you may find that your Adobe software isn't recognizing your active subscription. A simple yet effective trick is to log out and log back in to refresh the license information. To do this, within the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, click on your profile icon. This is usually found on the top bar of the app interface. From the drop-down menu, select the Sign Out option. Give it a moment to process the sign out, and then you'll be prompted to sign back in. Enter your Adobe ID and password once again. This action effectively refreshes the connection between your Adobe account and the software, solving many common licensing problems. And that's it. By following these steps carefully, you'll ensure that your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription is correctly set up and running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.